Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. Let me show you how to use this really useful template marking pencil. Template marking pencil writes on plastic. It's also easy to remove with a damp cloth. So I'm going to use it with template plastic here. I just need the one sheet that comes in 2 sheets in a pack, and it has a non-slip surface and a shiny surface. I'm going to write on the shiny surface so that the non-slip surface will then be on the fabric later. This pencil is fabulous for doing this. It's a waxy pencil. Do not use it on fabric though, because it is permanent. So I'm just drawing around the template. So I'm using a template from a book here. You can of course use them from books, from magazines, or wherever you want to get your templates from. And the other thing you can do is you can actually use half of a template. If you wanted to do different colour applique, I'm just going to straighten that line. If you wanted to do different colours, as here I've got a lovely little beach hut, I could draw around part of the template and then move it away and draw around another part and cut them out separately so that I can cut them out of fabric separately. So having drawn around my template, I can just cut it out. Now I'm going to cut it out so that I leave a little bit of the black outline. And it's quite good to have the black outline visible, because if you're using a bigger piece, a bigger template, for instance, you might want to use a rotary cutter to cut out. And then it's nice to have that edge to see so you don't actually slice through the template with your rotary cutter. Having cut out my shape here, I'm going to put it onto fabric. Now, I like to back my appliques with fusible paper-backed webbing, and that makes it nice and easy to fuse in place on your fabric. And I'm going to use a fabric marking pen to mark onto the fabric. So again, with the fabric in place, now I've got the non-slip side down to the fabric so it keeps it firmly in place. I just need to draw around my template. And once it's all drawn around, I can then cut it out. So it's all ready to cut out. Here's one I've done earlier. And that's ready now to fuse onto my fabric so I can machine or hand stitch around it. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.